What's up, guys? Today we are going to take a look at the best foldable electric scooters available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, hours of research, and customer reviews. We have considered their quality, features, values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's start with the video. The Hiboy S2 Pro is at number 1. It is an affordable scooter model that offers a few best features that you won't normally find in an electric scooter. Its compressed and foldable design makes it perfect for daily scooter riders. This electric scooter is comparatively new in the scooter industry. Furthermore, some functions of the S2 Pro can be monitored using the downloadable Hiboy S2 app. It can reach a top speed of 19 miles per hour. The driver can also choose 2 speed settings, comfort and sport. It has maximum battery life and ranges 40 kilometers. The S2 Pro uses 36 volts lithium-ion battery. It also uses an intelligent battery life management system to limit its maximum speed using the Hiboy S2 app. At the base of the stem is the folding mechanism, which is straightforward in design. To fold it, simply slide up the metal tab and pull the latch forward. You can lock the bars on the fender while they are folded and secure them there. Its locking mechanism is pretty stable, allowing the scooter's easy carriage using only one hand. It weighs around 16.3 kilograms and has a smaller profile than some of its competitors. You can even carry it around the bus or store it under your desk at work. With outstanding stability like top speed and grippy next generation non-pneumatic tires, the Segway Ninebot electric kick scooter E22 is at number 2. It is set up perfectly for beginners. You can quickly unfold, power on, and get going. Its solid tires provide surprising traction and damping and will never go flat, so there's no need to carry a tire pump or tubes. It has intuitive thumb controls for region brake and throttle, a simple centered display, and limited 20.9 kilometers per hour top speed. There's no finesse required to operate the simple thumb throttle, and riding it feels a bit like stepping onto a moving walkway. Although the E22 is only 14 kilograms, so very lightweight, it's easily portable from one place to another place. Its narrow width helps keep the package small, makes it easy to roll through doorways. Folding it down is smooth and easy, and the stem latches to the rear fender for easy carrying. With a rounded stem, it's light and compact enough to lift alongside you one-handed and very easy to fit into a trunk. The E22 measures 43 cm wide by 114 cm long by 36 cm tall when folded. It comes with a high-mounted headlight and fender-mounted taillight that activates with braking. The Segway scooters do better than most. There are 0 exposed cables anywhere on the scooter, giving it a very clean look from top to bottom. Simple design also makes the Ninebot E22 very easy to disassemble, since only one connector connects the handlebars to the scooter. At number 3, Razor C25 Foldable Electric Scooter. Its innovative counterbalance wheel design structures a super cushioned 12.5 inches front air tire, attached with an 8.5 inches back air tire to provide more comfort over irregular surfaces, and with a maximum speed of up to 18 miles per hour. With a powerful 36-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, you'll get up to 18 miles of range on a single charge. Its folding frame and quick-release bar design pack in a few seconds. It comes with LED headlights, brake-activated taillights, and reflective labels for better visibility. And the LED helps you keep an eye on speed and battery life. Its folding design means you can fold the C25 electric scooter up, carry it with you, and pack it away in seconds. At number 4, Gotrax G4. It is a standout scooter for its price, but the safety features make it interesting to some buyers. The built-in digital locks and cable are great for fast stops. Its top speed is very fast, and the 23.5 kilometers range is enough for most riders. Shock absorber 10 inches tire. The one-touch folds away for easy storage and transport. 350-watt high-speed brushless motor. It has LED display which shows current speed, speed mode, battery life, and headlights. The G4 is equipped with a dual security lock system, a combination lock, and a digital clock. It is very suitable for travelers to lock their scooter for a few minutes of shopping at the supermarket. EABS dual brake system and disc brake system can confirm your safety when moving on the street every day. The G4 folds in a single step. You simply pull the lever at the bottom of the tiller and then collapse it until it hooks into the rear fender buckle. Gotrax GXL V2 is at number 5. It is one of the most affordable model, perfect for riders looking to introduce themselves into the world of electric scootering. It has decent hill performance, but keep in mind that going up steep hills will be slowed. It has a manufacturer-claimed top speed of 26 kilometers per hour. Due to its best features, available at an amazingly low price, make it perfect electric scooter for beginners or young riders. The GXL V2 features a 250-watt motor with a 36-volt battery, which gives this specific scooter a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. It also has a maximum range of 12 miles, which is pretty impressive considering the speed limit. Charging time is only 4 hours, so you can always charge it while you're at work and it'll be ready when you leave. This electric scooter is ideal for travelers, beginners, or even the youngest. It folds down quickly and locks into a compact size of 99 cm by 43 cm by 36 cm. While the handlebars do not fold, it is still easy to throw into the back of the car, carry upstairs, and slip under a desk at work. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch further more videos. Did we leave off any foldable electric scooter? Let us know in the comments. See you guys in the next video.